Meanwhile.
Express platform 8 Bendu May I have your attention please? Train number 11311 Solapur Junction, Hassan Express from Solapur Junction to Hassan is coming on platform number 1.
The next morning.
Hi guys, good morning. So just now I came to this platform and I'm not sure whether this is the platform for Rayalaseema Express to reach Kamareddy, and yeah, I'm waiting. I think this train is also delayed for half an hour, and the before train was also delayed, so everything is got delayed today. I don't know why, and yeah, we are waiting. We'll see what next. Stay tuned.
Minutes later.
Uh, just now I reached the room, and you will be wondering where am I and all the stuff. Actually, I'm in Telangana right now, in Kamareddy district. Um, I came here on a business trip, so it was a long journey, and also this was my very first journey by train, that too solo trip. Never I had been anywhere solo, so this is very first time. I am like traveling alone, and it was a bit scary and it was a bit nervous, but fortunately I reached on time, and the train was again delayed for some reason, and I think by 9:30 I reached here, and by the 10 all the procedures was done and I was inside. This is how it was, and yeah, I don't know how much I could explore things here. This is a small town, that's why there's no such important places to visit as well. And if I want to visit, it's like so many kilometers long, like 7 kilometers, 9 kilometers. The journey itself takes so much of time, and yeah, I don't know how much things I could explore, but yeah, we'll see. And for what we have come here, that is what is a major concern here for me first, and we have to do it at any cost. Very, very, very well organized, planned things I have to actually do it, execute it. So yeah, uh, I'm actually excited, nervous as well. This is the very first time I'm taking this opportunity. Let me do it and let us see how this goes on and all the stuff. As you could have seen the journey, like it was nice, and yeah, let us see things how it will go for next couple of days and our stay here. So yeah, stay tuned with me, and I hope you are enjoying the vlog. So yeah, now I'll go get fresh. I plan like going out and having dinner. Morning I just ordered idli vada for breakfast, but after that staying in this room is so boring, and I'll just go out and see things where to eat dinner and all. So yeah, I'll go get ready and we'll wait soon. Stay tuned.
Much later.
Hi guys, ಇವಾಗ ತಾನೇ ರೆಡಿ ಆದೆ. ಫುಲ್ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಔಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಡಿನ್ನರ್. ಆದರೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಆಚೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಶೋ ಯು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಫುಲ್ ರೈನ್, ಹೆವಿ ರೈನ್ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ಆಚೆ ಕಡೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಂಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋಂಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅನ್ಫಾರ್ಚುನೇಟ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಲಕ್. ಸೊ 1 ಅವರಿಂದ ರೈನ್ 1 ಅವರ್ಗೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಂತೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ರೈನಿಂಗ್. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ, ನನಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗಂತೂ. ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಇನ್ನು ಇವಾಗ ಟೈಮ್ 5:45. ಸೊ 6 ಗಂಟೆ 6:30 ಹಂಗೆ ನೋಡಿ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಡೋಣ ಏನು ತಿನ್ನೋಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೋ ರಾತ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಂತ. ಬೆಳಗಿಂದೇ ಊಟ ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ತುಂಬ ಇದೆ, ನೀನು ತಿನ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನು ಟೈಮ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ನೋಡೋಣ. ಜೀವನ ಏನಾದರೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಖಾಲಿ ಆದರೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ತಿನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೋಣ. ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ತಿನ್ನೋಣ ಅಂತ ಆಸೆ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಏನು ತಿನ್ನೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಯಾ, ಸ್ಟೇ ಟ್ಯೂನ್ಡ್.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
ಫೈನಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ರೈನ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಹೋಗಿ ಆಚೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ತಿನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದುಬಿಡೋಣ ಬೇಗ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಗೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ನಾವು. ನೋಡೋಣ ಏನಿದೆ ತಿನ್ನೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ. ತಿನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೋಣ. ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಳೆ ಗಿಳೆ ಬರೋ ಥರ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಛತ್ರಿ ಗಿತ್ರಿ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರೋಣ. Stay tuned. ಓಹೋ, ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಕುಕ್. ಅದೇ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟು. ಹೋಗೋಣ, ನೋಡೋಣ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ತಿನ್ನೋಣ ಅಲ್ಲೇ. ಇಫ್ ನಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಸಮ್ ಅದರ್. ಸೊ ಯಾ, ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ. ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೇನೋ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೇ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮೆನ್ಯೂ ತುಂಬ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಿದೆ, ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಪಾರ್ಸಲ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಪನ್ನೀರ್ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ. ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ, ವಿಲ್ ವಾಕ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಐ ಫೆಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇನ್ ದ ರೂಮ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, ನೋಡೋಣ. The rice, some curry that we got. So many things I have given. So this is what I buyed some veg biryani. I think this is paneer biryani. Yeah, this is paneer biryani. It's already a 9 now, and it's time to have dinner. I'll be having the dinner, and I'll sleep. Morning I have to wake up little early because of the routes. I'm not so aware of the routes, so that's why I should make things on time. And this was how my day 1 in Telangana was. It was bit boring because it was raining, so I couldn't go out and do things. But inside I was having lots of work, so I was doing that, and this was how things went. And yeah, people were also asking me why was there no video last week and before that. So I had some very important works to be done, and I had really very tight schedules. So that's why I couldn't make any videos. But from this week you'll be getting videos up to date. And yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you do like, you know what to do, like, share and subscribe. Sassy Vintage. I'll be meeting you all in the next video. Until then, bye.